again to my channel. It's your boy Wabbit from Wabbitshot. First of all, let me apologize for not uploading a video for the past 2 weeks. Yes, there's a reason to that. I have been away for a while to kind of rebrand this channel. So before I start, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and like, comments at any point if you are not clear about anything, and I'll make sure I respond to the comments. So guys, as I was saying, this is Wabbitshot channel, and this channel is dedicated to tech, programming, photography, social media, like just the tech world. This channel, as you know, is dedicated to tech, photography, videography. This is like another introductory video because we have grown, guys. Started from 1 subscriber to over 893 subscribers as of now. So guys, I took some time out to just check on my analytics to see where I'm lacking behind and where I'm actually pushing, as in which videos is working and which videos ain't working. Compare the videos out there and what you guys think. So right now I'm trying to like reform this channel. So I'm creating a whole new schedule for this channel. So let me just drop it out there. First, on Mondays, it's gonna be about life as a software engineer. That's basically why I actually set this channel. So the new videos coming is gonna be more personal. Like, you guys are gonna see how a software engineer life is and how crazy or how lazy or whatever it is, like how we go about, like how we do things. Get it? Like, most guys don't really understand what it entails to be a software engineer or a computer scientist or a computer engineer. So this channel will try to answer all those questions, and guys who are trying, like young guys who are like also thinking of getting into the niche, getting into that field, how you can do good in that field, because it's kind of hard to get a job in this field. Let me just put it out there, unless you are good at what you do. Again, it's hard finding a job in this field because there are a lot of us now, as in 2019, there are a lot of tech guys out there, but the best gets the job, the best gets money, the best enjoys their life. So guys, this channel is dedicated to that. So if you're young, you're thinking of getting into this field, this will be the best channel for you. And if you're just interested in fun videos and technology and videography and stuff, Mondays is just gonna be about life as a software engineer. My life as a software engineer. Wednesday, Tuesday, I'm not recording for Wednesday, so no videos on Tuesdays. Wednesday would be on basically just tech tips, like softwares you can use to smash your IG, softwares you can use in making your computer fast, like just tech tips, what computers you use. Are you an Apple guy or a Microsoft person? Like, yeah, just tech tips, basically tech tips on Wednesday, so keep that in mind. And Friday will be tech news, like trending tech news as usual, like what I used to do on Mondays and Wednesdays. Now I'm pushing it on Fridays. Saturdays will be my personal life, like a vlog, just a personal vlog. Sundays, thinking of starting a live video so you guys can ask me your personal questions, what you want to know about the field, and I can try to answer you on Sundays, or one of the trending tech news that we really need to talk more about will be done on Sundays. Just let me know in the comment box below if you think it's a good idea. Just comment, guys. So if you have been listening to me mambo jumbo till this time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and turn on the notification bell. That really helps. And also like and comment and share to friends, share to your computer science guys, share to your tech geeks. Just let it go there. Let everyone see this channel. So yeah, guys, and in one of my videos I told you I'm no more in Sumi, I'm in Kharkov now for some months. It's not easy though. This is a whole new experience. Big city, whole new experience, trust me. But guys, back in Sumi I had friends. Some of my videos had Terrence, I had Lesson, I had Emmanuel. These guys were helping my videos. Now I've also made some friends here. I have Nadia, I have Emeka, computer engineer guys. So guys, yeah, I was thinking of something. let's create a community, a tech geek community, or guys who just like what I do, as in just trying to support me. So probably a Wabbit community. I don't know the name to name it now, and which platform it should be. Is it going to be a Facebook, or it's going to be a WhatsApp page, a WhatsApp group page? I don't know. So you guys just drop a comment in the comment box below. Like, give me name ideas. So this is your boy Wabbit, and I think I just end here. Peace, double rock on, and your boy is out.